Alright guys, so the car that I had difficulties in starting early in the morning, I changed most of the sensors and cost me a fortune to find out exactly the fault, and I even changed the ECU. Unfortunately, there is a generic fault in these ECUs which are kind of older, so the Japanese car manufacturers have done a good job, but after, let's say, 30-20 years, there is this generic problem of this IC LM2901N. It won't go busted completely. It will be causing a lot of problems because first time when you start the car in the morning, you think the problem is with the temperature sensors and the other stuff, but the problem is caused by this little guy, which is not going to cost you much to fix it. So you don't have to change the entire, what do you call this, the ECU. Just replace this IC, and this is the one that controls the movement of the idle control valve. So the idle control valve doesn't close no matter what you do, like no matter how clean it is. So there is a signal sent to this sent to the idle control valve by this particular IC, which will kind of close it when the engine is warmed. And apart from that, it controls the ignition coil mechanism as well. So if it's busted, the car will start sometimes, and sometimes the engine stops, and in the morning it will be really hard to start the car. But once it starts, it'll be fine. It'll be running perfectly. So that the IC is not fully busted. It gets damaged over time. So the best thing is to replace this one from the 4AFE, or the ECU, or the engine control unit, belongs to most of the Japanese cars. This problem